Not all heroes wear capes. Some just carry a hammer and a kind heart. When people heard faint meows coming from a wall, everyone froze. But one man didn't hesitate. He broke through cement, dust, and exhaustion, each swing filled with hope. Then silence, until a soft meow answered back. A small kitten peeked out, shaking, but alive. He wrapped it in a towel, held it close, and smiled, as if he just won the best reward of all, a life saved. If this moment hit your heart too, give this video a thumbs up and share it, because kindness like this deserves to be seen by the world.